Hey, what is going on, everybody on YouTube? Steve here, Raiken Profit, coming to you guys live from my car. Somebody left a comment today asking, Steve, do you live in your car? Might as well be, because I'm always in my car. I'm always traveling. I'm always going out and about. But here I am in my car again. I'm actually waiting for a friend. We're going to be going out to dinner tonight. And wanted to talk really quickly about how to eliminate death piles. You might be thinking to yourself, Steve, what in the world is a death pile? Well, I guess in my own words, a death pile is a pile of items that you purchase from thrift stores, garage sales, retail stores, really anywhere. Any product you purchased with the intent to resell, sitting in a pile for an extended period of time that you know you need to list, but you don't. So how do you eliminate the death piles, right? And I'd like to know in the comments section, whether you're watching live right now or you're catching the replay, how many items do you guys have in your death pile? How many items do you have sitting around that have been sitting there for an extended period of time that you know you should list, but you don't? So, you know, me, I've got, I don't know if you call it a death pile because I had taken some time away from eBay and I never got to listing it, but I guess in a sense you could say I have a death pile of probably over 50 items, right? But we all do. We all do, in a sense, you know, have a death pile. But I want to give you guys some tips to eliminate your death pile and to improve upon that and to just help you to grow your business. So, you know, some people are saying I've got about 20 items. This stuff depresses me. I know, I tell you, the death pile, it's a sad, sad thing. But the first thing is, guys, if you have a death pile, you've got to recognize first and foremost that there's certain items that you probably just don't like to mess with. You know, for me, I don't like messing with bigger, heavier items. It's just a pain in the butt to list. It's a pain in the butt to ship. You got to prep them. A lot of times they get damaged possibly. You know, I like to mess with smaller items. I do. And I've noticed that the bigger items tend to fall in the death pile for me. So if you recognize and you understand that you don't like to sell certain items, just stop buying them. And, you know, you might think to yourself, well, you know, why are you going to stop buying items if they, you know, if they can make you money? Well, if they're in the death pile, you're not making money and they're just sitting there and you're wasting your money and you're tying up money that, you know, if you're in a position where you don't have a lot of investment and a lot of savings, you're literally taking opportunities out of your own hand that you could have invested in something else. You know, we live in America, guys. There's so many thrift stores. There's so many opportunities, garage sales, retail stores. There's so many things that you could purchase other than items that you do not like to buy and sell that can make you money. So, you know, step number one, recognize what you don't like. Step number two, stop buying them. You know, also I want to mention, guys, you know, if you do have a death pile, and this is going to be a quick video, I can't talk for long. I see my friend coming right now. If you have a death pile, start chipping away at it, you know. These items in your death pile you don't like, you know, they're annoying to you, they've been sitting there for a while. The odds of you chipping away at that whole thing at once, listing 30, 40, 50 items, is probably rare. So if you're going to attack your death pile, trick your mind, like I was saying the other day, and set a goal of maybe listing up 2 or 3 items that day out of your death pile. And you're going to notice once you start to list those items and they start to sell, you're going to get momentum. You're going to build motivation, and you're going to slowly chip away, you know, at that death pile. At the end of the day, you know, if you want to avoid building your death pile, stop buying items that you don't like. Just stop, because you want to know what? You're tying up your money. It's sitting there. It's not motivating you. And when I have a death pile and I haven't, you know, a whole thing of 20, 30, 40, 50 items sitting there, it doesn't motivate me to want to list more. And that's the key. You got to keep the momentum going. You got to keep your energy going. You got to keep your workspace organized. You know, when I list all of my items and I don't have anything else, I'm that much more motivated to go out there and list. So, you know, hopefully this video helped you guys. It's a great feeling when you don't have any more items. It is. Because you're going to go out to the thrift store and you're going to find something. You're going to find something because you have no other choice. Your back is against the wall. So, you know, I hope this video found you in the, you know, in the right place. You know, I want to help you guys out as much as I possibly can. And, you know, getting your items listed and avoiding death piles is one of those things that can definitely help out a lot. So I got to get rolling. I see that my friend is here, so I just want to make this quick video for you guys. If you have any other tips for eliminating death piles, drop a comment down below. I know we're live right now, and you know, some of the internet isn't cooperating. It's going a little slow, and then it's, you know, It's good, it's bad, so I apologize for that, but the replay should be good. Leave a comment below. Help the folks out in the comments who are struggling with this, and I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe down below, and peace.